Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this quick video I'm just going to show you 2 easy French tip hacks. Super cool, works on all lengths of nails, and this is just a fun little hack I saw online. So I'm using it on a swatch. I'm using the Sparkle & Co stamping sponge thing, a stamper, and I'm going to use white. I did show 2 other colors here. I was going to do a marble one, ended up not doing it in this video, but you can easily do it marble wise. So I just use gel polish for this so you can cure it. Gel base, gel top coat. So I'm just going in with 1 coat of gel base and I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. My lamp is 128 watt, so I'm not curing it for 60, just 30. And there we go. Now I'm going to take Sparkle & Co.'s white gel polish and I'm just going to paint that straight on my stamping thing. For whatever reason, I can't remember the name of it, but my little stamper. And you're just going to push in at an angle and push straight down into it. Look at that French tip. Look at that. Perfect every time. And look how easy that was. You don't have to paint it, nothing. Look how simple. And you could do this over dip powder too, like as a design. But I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds and literally look how simple and easy that was. I didn't even have to touch it up. And you could easily touch it up with like acetone or alcohol. But it was that simple. And then you can top coat it and you're done. And some of you, and now I'm just going to show you how you can like paint one on. My painting isn't as precise as that method or the dip powder method, but these are just some quick, easy alternatives. So I'm taking a long detailing brush and I'm going to make, sorry it's so blurry, but I'm going to just make an X across it to kind of get my point on there. And I'm going to try to perfect it because my line was a little wonky. And then you're going to curve it to make that smile line. And then you're going to take, see, I told you, you can move it if you need to, but my lines aren't perfect and that's okay. This is just showing you an easy way you can do it. And after you do it a few times, your technique's going to be down. And then I'm going to take my normal gel polish brush and just fill in the gaps, the big spaces. And as you can see how easy that was. And some of you may have seen the other method with the jelly stamper. Some of you probably have saw that method possibly on like TikTok and stuff. I wanted to try it out and I was shocked at how easy it was and how well it worked. And so it's just dipping it, you know, onto that gel polish, straight in, push into the pusher with like a little bit of pressure, and it just makes that smile line. So easy. And then just putting my stamper away, and I cleaned it with rubbing alcohol, and a lint-free wipe is all I used. No acetone on your jelly stamper because acetone will eat through it and ruin it. So I just cleaned it up, like I said, with a little bit of alcohol and a lint-free wipe. And now I'm just going to go over the tip again just to make sure that it's nice and even coverage. And as you can see, I will clean up this line. I should have used acetone, but I'm using rubbing alcohol because I had that handy, and just a little cleanup brush just to go around and remove any, because I kind of over painted. No big deal. Gel's so easy to clean up because I haven't cured it yet. So any mess ups, wipe them off. So just going to tidy that up a little bit. And yes, I did not come up with these little hacks. I saw these hacks online, tried them for myself, and loved them. And my mom has really short nails. Not right now because we've been doing her nails, but her nails are fairly short. And so it's hard for me to like dip the French line and that kind of stuff. So now I can use this little stamping jelly stamper hack on her nails and give her a super easy French tip. It's so fun and so easy. Anybody could do it as long as you have a jelly stamper. Mine's from Sparkle & Co., but they sell them. I don't know if Sparkle still sells theirs, but if not, you can find them on Amazon or anywhere. They're not very expensive. I think Walmart might have some too, actually. But was happy with that, so I cured it for 30 seconds and then gel top coat and cured that. And there you go. There's the 2 French ones. They're so simple, so easy, so fun. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know of any more videos you would like to see. Deuces and smooches.